Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 7th, and this is my recap of the top view videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro-US dollar came in number one, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video from Friday morning. So the Euro dollar, man, what a nice little reversal. We had, first of all, a nice perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Then we had what very clearly is 1, 2, 3 waves down, 50% Fibonacci bounce. I would say that this, as usual, I would label this as either an A or 1, B or 2, and now I believe we're going up for a wave 3 or a wave C. Either scenario should lead to a break of this high right here, so that tells me that I am definitely looking for longs on even shorter time frames for this, trading this wave 3 or possibly this wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here on the left. And don't forget to check out my mentorship program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.